Bakit nadagdagan o nabawasan, sino ang may initiative, yung DPWH and Pantawid Pamilyang Pilipino Program, ano? Yung 50B.
Yung 50B, oo.
Hindi rin po klaro sa inyo bakit may tapyas.
Yun nga, as a general rule, as a matter of fact, it's in our rules. It's very clear in the rules of the Senate na meron dapat explanation. At nasama ko yata yan sa aking PowerPoint. Usually, may explanation yan. O, papaltan natin to dahil mas mahalaga ito, dahil kulang na kulang ang pera rito. Maliwanag siya. Ngayon, ang explanation, dadagdagan ng comma, tutuldukan ng I. Anong klaseng explanation yun? Na hindi binanggit yung pagbabago.
So, kanino look out, ma'am, yung bad budget?
Sorry?
Yeah. Kaninong lookout yun, ma'am? Yung bad budget? Who's to be blamed?
Well, right now, like I said,